The last couple of days I've been saying, nice day out there today, wasn't it? Today's not one of them.
Not so much.
We kind of should have banked those things yesterday and then we kind of haul them out.
Rerun it, you know.
Yeah. Because the rain today has been in abundance and it will continue through the night. Let's go ahead and show you what's going on for tomorrow. As we get the day started, we're around 40, which temperature-wise is not a bad way to start off a December day. Rain will be around. Thing is, we get you to the middle of the day, we go up a couple of degrees, and that's about all we're going to go up. We'll still have some rain in the area. That is our daytime high, because the latter part of the day, as colder air begins to pour in, temperatures will be dropping tomorrow afternoon. It gets windy too. We could start to see some snowflakes mixing in as well as we greet winter. Let's go ahead and talk about all this. We do that with the MaxTrack Doppler. And at the moment, just about all the rain has shifted east of I-75. Excuse me, back that up. All the rain shifted west of I-75. And that is, again, showing some heavier rain northern Kentucky. Most of the rain's pretty light. We also have some fog that we're dealing with as well. Through the course of the evening, we've watched the rain going south to north of this entire system here. So, again, it has been plentiful for those that have seen the rain. And in fact, it's a soaking rain. It just kept coming, and we've got more on the way. It happens tomorrow. It gets a little more showery off and on than the steady stuff that we were seeing today. Tomorrow, winter officially starts 5:23 in the evening. That is when the sun is directly over the Tropic of Capricorn. As we are greeting the winter season, we could greet a couple of snowflakes flying around, and maybe a few more than that in the southeast corner of Kentucky. Christmas Day still looks like rain on the way, but the snow line's a little bit closer. Talking about that abundance of rain, we're anywhere from a half to an inch of rain so far, with more on the way. Lexington's 1 inch and change now puts us just a quarter inch away from that 70-inch mark that we've been striving for. We've got the record easily. We're just going for a nice round number at this point. By the way, if we get to 7 inches, we're going to create a new unit of measure. We're going to call it a bill, because bill is 70 inches tall. So there we go. It'll be 1 bill of rain. You are looking at the rain that will be continuing. We're talking about a ½ inch, maybe another little bit more, 3/4 of an inch by the time it's all done. Did y'all like that unit?
I did.
Okay, I see you grinning over there.
Trademark that.
Yeah. All right, 2 areas of low pressure. They're going to eventually form into one. When that happens, you actually strengthen the entire system. So the rain's around tomorrow into the afternoon. The secondary cold front's already coming by. As these two lows phase, our winds will turn pretty strongly out of the north. That begins to pump in a lot more cold air. So at the back edge of all this, the rain could change over to snow. The high terrain along the Virginia line, we could pick up a little bit of accumulation, but don't expect to see much. For 95% of us, this is a non-event, just something to make life a little more interesting. We continue then to midnight and beyond. We pull that system out. The breezes will continue into Saturday. I think those clouds are going to be tough to scour out for a lot of us. Maybe a little bit of late day sun before the next system arrives on Sunday that you see here. It's predominantly light rain. That'll slide on through Sunday afternoon. Christmas Eve day looks terrific. Christmas Eve itself, Santa's got an easy trip. By the time we get you to Christmas Day, though, watch this. Next system comes through as a rainmaker, but the snow line likely just on the other side of the Ohio River. Still holding 44 at the Bluegrass Airport with a wind chill of 40, the north wind at 7. Those will be picking up as we look toward, say, tomorrow. For tonight, the soaking rain, breezy, stays mild. Notice that sunrise, 7:51. That is as late as it gets on that first day of winter. You're looking at 42 for the high tomorrow. That's midday. Temperatures falling. That's also basically a normal day. Saturday, clouds for the most part around 40, low 40s, small rain chance Sunday, and a little rain there on Christmas Day.